Mosquito, don't bite. Stop biting, mosquito. Mosquito, don't bite. Eh. Surprise. Please stop. Here. Hash. I got it from IKEA. Looks super cute. It's a fleece hat. We could cut this one over here. I'll open it for you and I will demo or describe this wall mount wooden knobs that you could use to hang your clothes, your coat, your jacket, your sweater, your cap. It's very colorful. I got this from IKEA here in the Philippines, and it's at the kiddie section. This is what 390 pesos. This bad boy right here. It's for 390 pesos. I'm opening it. I'm removing the plastic. I'm removing the plastic. A little bit more. There. Plastic free. So this one is facade. I need screws and screws and nails to attach this fleece coat hanger, coat knob hangers knob on the wall, and then screw it there or nail it there. It's very nice. At my own room at Santa Rosa, Laguna. Yeah, we're moving out.